Tune into your progress, learning English by listening to your own recordings. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to focus on an incredibly valuable, yet often overlooked technique in your English learning journey. This method is all about self-assessment and reflection through listening to your own recordings. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this strategy can help you track your progress, spot your weaknesses, and build your confidence in speaking English. So, why does listening to your own recordings matter? Well, it's quite simple. When you're learning a new language, it can be hard to notice the little mistakes or quirks in your own speech. This is where recording and playback can play a crucial role. When you listen to yourself, you can identify areas that need improvement that you might not have noticed in the heat of conversation. It also helps you gain a better understanding of how you sound to others, which is essential in improving your pronunciation and accent. The first step to self-assessment is to make a recording. This doesn't have to be complex. You can use any device with a microphone, your phone, your laptop, or even a dedicated recorder. Simply choose a topic, set a timer for a few minutes, and start speaking. Try to speak naturally and freely, just as you would in a conversation. This gives you a more authentic assessment of your spoken English skills. After recording, it's time for playback. Listen carefully to the recording, keeping an ear out for pronunciation, accent, and fluency issues. Remember, the goal here is not to criticize yourself, but to analyze and learn. Note down areas where you hesitated, struggled with words, or where your accent was particularly strong. These are all areas that you can focus on in future study sessions. Once you've identified areas for improvement, the next step is to reflect on your performance and set goals for your future practice. For example, if you noticed that you struggled with the pronunciation of certain words, your goal could be to practice those words until you're comfortable with them. Reflection and goal setting are crucial for maintaining steady progress and ensuring that you're always moving forward in your language learning journey. So, there you have it. By listening to your own recordings, you can become your own teacher, providing valuable feedback and setting clear goals for your future learning. Remember, progress in language learning isn't always linear, but every step you take brings you closer to fluency. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you all the best in your English learning journey. Keep recording, keep listening, and keep improving.